Have you heard of Type B pull systems? Let's dive into what they are and how they can be used. Type B pull systems, also known as sequence pull, are used to connect two processes with a visually apparent area containing a defined limited quantity of parts, jobs, or units of work in sequence. This type of pull system is very flexible and can be used in just about any type of industry, from manufacturing to healthcare to software development. Sequence pull or FIFO lanes are typically used when a buffer is needed between two processes because of cycle time variation or other small reliability or variability issues. Let's consider an example from a laboratory. Imagine we have three processes connected by FIFO lanes from a lab. These are entering orders, performing lab analysis on a specimen, and creating and submitting a written report of the results. As orders are entered, they are placed in first in first out sequence into the FIFO lane. The lab technicians pull from the FIFO lane in the same sequence, do their work, and then pass their work into the next FIFO to reporting. If a FIFO lane is full, this is a visual signal to stop feeding it. The visual signal might be used to move people around as needed to keep work flowing. If you have an interest in learning more about sequence pull, visit our website at emsstrategies.com and contact us. We would be happy to help.